Welcome to another episode of Quick Pit. And on today's episode, we're going to be doing the transmission service on this car. So this car has an automatic transmission, and in order to do the service, you have to replace the filter, the pan gasket, and the fluid. So that's what we're going to do on today's episode.
Watch this thing not have anything. Huh? Alright. What the heck? That thing.
It looks weird, huh?
Like it's not. Like it's going at an angle or something. Yeah, this whole thing is all like cakey. It's like super stuck on there. It's like.
It's mud. Yeah.
Yeah.
Got a lot of mud right here on the oil pan.
So we're gonna clean it.
The whole under. The engine. Yeah, eventually we're gonna get all this clean. Good.
I've been roaming around, looking down at all I see.
Oh my god, dude. Alright. Yep.
Better drain, man. That looks pretty cool, man. Yeah.
Oh. Look at that. See that? Look at the magnets. My brother's saying it's like regular, like.
That's a decent amount. Oh, yeah, it's a decent amount of clutch wear. But yeah, they probably haven't replaced this in a long time. Forever, I feel like.
Oh my god! He because it broke. Oh my god!
It is kind of a lot.
Alright. Just to clean it. Okay. There's a pan, so it looks like afterwards. I'm about to install it, put the gasket on it.
Good.
Real good.
Alright, put the new filter in. Went ahead, filter kit, new gasket, filter, fluid. On the gasket, we put a little bit of silicone on the pan. Not necessarily to help it seal, but just so the gasket wouldn't move when we were installing it.
Like it's going at an angle or something.
Yeah.
Like it's going at an angle or something.
Is that cross thread?
Huh?
Is it strip?
Oh my god. Don't tell me. I did it by hand first. Like it's going at an angle or something. Yeah, it feels like it. Oh my.
Alright. So, not to name any names, but the thread on the transmission stripped. We don't know. It could have been anybody. It could have been the guy who set it up. It could have been anybody. Point is, we went to go buy a new one, or went to go buy some new bolts. 20-30 minute job turned into like a couple hours of labor. We started at what time? Like 9, 10? Around 9 or 10, it's already 2. I had to find this specific size right here.
Alright, real quick. So I wanted to talk about the tool that we were showing. This tool is called a plug tap or a thread chaser. And this tool is used to either make new threads or to clean strip threads. And in this case, we were using it for the transmission pan in order to clean the drain bolt threads.
10 by 1.25. Hopefully in like 10 minutes we should have this thing done. Hopefully.
You serious?
So what's it looking like? It looks like it's tightening. So I'm just going back and forth so you could get a better shape, or it shapes it into place. Yeah, it tightened.
Yes! Yes!
It just came out. It's still like. Man, it's all covered in.
Right here, look. I want to say right there.
We finished doing the transmission service on this car, and this thing was really hectic, you know. There was a lot that had to be done in order to complete just a, I guess you could say, a simple service. But yeah, so that's another thing that we finished on this project, and just stay tuned.